How to know who viewed your feature collection on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you know who viewed your feature collection on Facebook. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Facebook app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, after scrolling down, you'll be able to see your feature collection on Facebook. So right now I have not any feature collections. So in your case, it will look like this. So from here, you'll have to just tap on that feature collection. And now from here, you'll be able to see every reactions or likes for that feature collection on your Facebook. So from here, you can get the options like other just at the bottom left corner of the screen. So if you are getting that options like others, it means that someone have viewed your feature collection on Facebook. So it usually happen if your account is public on Facebook. So from there, anyone can easily access your feature collection on Facebook. Or in some cases, you can also know that with the options like feature viewer. So it usually appear at the top of the viewer list. So you can also go through that. And if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.